tearing down or destroying anything. We're rebuilding. We're, doing something different, something constructive.
Now, you say that you expect from 10 to 20,000 persons to take part in the march that your group has planned. Who are these people to be, and why? What makes you think that you'll have so many participants?
Well, San Jose as a city has a great potential, and people do care. So if we distribute enough information, which we are doing, let the people know what's going on, the city will come through, and the people will come through.
How is this march to contribute to the elimination of hunger?
Well, we have different research projects that we've looked into. Some of it is going to the EOP program at State. There's a foreign project in South Korea, and there's also the educational programs of the American Freedom from Hunger Foundation.